देखा बोल के ले यहीं रहो एक तरफ। अंदर जाना है मेरे को पहले, जाके
I remember you from those days.
Oh my God.
What was your ministry in those days? I don't think I remember.
It
Press
was,
must have been.
No, it was education and marketing. That's your part. Huh?
पीछे पीछे आगे खुला
And she goes shopping to my market, and she goes to Kota की गाय से दूध में खाना है, उसका सफेद मक्खन, उसका घी, is wonderful.
On behalf of the Sri Ram Bharati Kala Kendra, I, Lalima Aneja Dang, welcomes you all today evening. Today, when the third Sumitra Charatram Award for Lifetime Achievement will be presented to the legendary Indian classical Odissi dancer and guru, Guru Mayadhar Rao. Ladies and gentlemen, today is the 17th of November, the day Sumitra ji was born. Her passionate work towards sustaining the very meditative, very ancient, very rich, very spiritual Indian cultural art is now being carried forward earnestly by her daughter, Srimati Shobha Deepak Singh ji, who is also the director and vice chairperson of the Sri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra. For all her efforts, she was also awarded the Padma Shri by the Indian government. We are also fortunate to have amidst us Kumari Selja ji, the Honourable Minister for Justice and Social Empowerment, to present the award. Thank you, ma'am, for being out here and gracing the occasion. Thank you very much. Yes, let's have a round of applause for our esteemed guest. May I now request Srimati Shobha Deepak Singh ji to kindly come on the dais. Also, Shri Deepak Singh Ji, who is the chairman of Shri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra. I also request, yes sir, please kindly come the dais. Yes, let's have a huge round of applause for them. The Honourable Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Kumari Selja Ji, I request you ma'am to kindly come on the dais. Thank you. And now I request Dr. Sonal Mansingh Ji, the eminent Odissi artist, to come on the dais. Thank you ma'am. Well, we would like to welcome our esteemed guests not just with words but also with flowers. So I request Shobha Ji to present a bouquet of flowers to Kumari Selja Ji as a token of our gratitude for being here. Thank you, ma'am. And now a bouquet of flowers for Dr. Sonal Mansingh Ji. Thank you, ma'am, for being here. Thank you so much. Yes, let's have a huge round of applause. I now call upon Shobha Ji to deliver the welcome address. Ma'am.
Now I feel. Friends, on behalf of the Shri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra family, I welcome you today evening. Sumita Charatra, my mother, was born on 17th November. After schooling in Nainital and Allahabad, she joined the Banaras Hindu University. It was here that she woke up each morning listening to the Shehnai of Miss Mila Khasa. She organized a night-long concert to commemorate India's newfound independence. Nearly all leading artists of that time came to perform. The grand success of this musical journey in 1947 resulted in the formation of the Jankar Music Circle. The circle continued to present monthly as well as annual music events till 1952, when the Bharatiya Kala Kendra was formed, a society dedicated to preserving and propagating Indian classical music and dance. Srimati Indira Gandhi was the first chairman of the Bharatiya Kala Kendra. One of Sumita Ji's long-held dreams was to present a dance drama on the Ramayana. This dream materialized in 1957, when the first Ram Leela was scripted and presented under the patronage of the then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This has now become an iconic annual event of Delhi, where the ballet continues to be performed. Also, Sumita Ji's big passion was Kathak, her biggest achievement being the resurrection of this dance form under the aegis of the Kendra. In fact, till 1972, the Kendra was the sole institution engaged in promoting Kathak. Over the years, the Kathak department had gurus such as Shambhu Maharaj, Sundar Prasad, Biju Maharaj. All these were synonymous with the Shri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra. And during those 2 decades, the Kendra produced some of the Kathak's most outstanding exponents, such as Kumudini Lakhya, Uma Sharma, Durga Lal, amongst a host of others. The Kendra, in the meantime, has gone on from strength to strength. One of the milestones has been the construction of this auditorium, the Kamani. The institution is now a multifaceted organization that teaches a variety of Indian classical dance styles as well as vocal and instrumental music. In recognition of a lifetime devotion to the propagation of Indian art and culture, the Kendra proudly presents an award annually in the name of its founder, Sumita Charatra. The salient features of this award are It's given to individuals who have excelled in the field of Indian classical dance and music or other disciplines of Indian art and culture, including theatre, and who have had a significant impact in the promotion of their particular art form. The most important criteria for selecting the awardees has been the individual's achievement in their professional career during the last 15 years prior to the date of the consideration for the award. An award committee is instituted annually for the selection of the awardee. The decision of the jury is final. The last two awardees have been Pandit Biju Maharaj and Kishori Amankar. The jury for the award this year has unanimously decided to confer this award on Guru Mayadhar Rao for his unflinching contribution to Odissi. Shri Mayadhar Rao was the senior guru of Shri Ram Bharati Kala Kendra in the Odissi idiom from 1970 to 1995. Guruji has been the first Odissi guru to introduce Mudra Vinyog in the study of Odissi in 1955 and in the Sanchari Bhag in the Odissi dance items. Guruji has been conferred with several awards including the Padma Shri, the Sangeet Natak Academy Award, the Sahitya Kala Parishad Award, Utkal Pratibha Puraskar, Odissi Sangeet Natak Academy Award, Rajiv Gandhi Samman, Kavi Samrat Upendra Bhanja Award, and was elected as a Tagore Fellow of the Sangeet Natak Academy in 2011 on the occasion of the 150th birth anniversary of Guru Rabindranath Tagore. The Shri Ram Bharati Kala Kendra is proud, friends, to present the third Sumitra Charatram Award for Lifetime Achievement to Shri Mayadhar Rao for his immense contribution to promotion and classical and propagation of Odissi dance. Friends, I have to regretfully say that we received from Mayadharji a letter this afternoon at about 4:15, and I will read that out to you. Dear Shobhaji, I have been taken ill. As you know, I am 83 years old and an asthma patient. And for the last 2 days, I have been suffering a lot. I have been advised bed rest. I regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend the award ceremony to be held at the Kabani Auditorium. As stated earlier, I am honored to be receiving this award instituted in the name of Srimati Sumitra Charatram. She has played an important role in promoting art and culture in the capital, and I hold her in a high esteem. I request you to ask one of my former students, Papiya Desai or Prabha Priyadarshini, to collect the award on my behalf. I regret the inconvenience caused. With best wishes and my blessings, yours sincerely, Mayadhar Rao. Friends, since we could not at such short notice get any of the people he suggested, we have Kiran Sehgal, who I will request to come and receive the award. Kiran Sehgal.
Kumari Selja ji now gives award to Kiran Sehgal ji. She's been the senior disciple of Guruji. Born on July 6, 1930 in Orissa, Shri Mayadhar Rao is today an infant classical Odissi dancer and guru. Shri Mayadhar Rao has played a major role in giving Odissi its classical Shastra-based status. He introduced Mudra Vinyog in 1955. He is considered a master of Natya Shastra and Abhinay Dharana and has enriched the Abhinay vocabulary of Odissi. He taught at Kala Vikas Kendra founded by Babulal Joshi in Odisha and trained several dancers including Surendranath Jena and Hare Krishna Behera. Sri Raut was senior guru at Sri Ram Bharati Kala Kendra, New Delhi from 1970 till 1995. As one of the founder members of Jayantika, an association founded in the 1950s, Guru Mayadhar Raut has played a major role in the preservation and development of Odissi dance. Sri Ram Bharati Kala Kendra is proud to present the 3rd Sumitra Charatram Award for Lifetime Achievement to Sri Mayadhar Raut for his immense contribution to the promotion and propagation of Odissi dance. A big applause for Guruji. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Kiranji. I now request Kumari Seljaji to say a few words. Ma'am, we would like to hear from you.
Shobha Deepak Singh Ji, Dr. Sonal Man Singh Ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's always a pleasure to be here at Kamani Auditorium and to be associated with any event that is organized by the center, especially by Mrs. Shobha Deepak Singh Ji, and today also is no exception. We are here to present the 3rd Sumitra Charatram Award for Lifetime Achievement.